What's up, brother?
Welcome to the channel. All right, we're back. Radar run again.
Oh yeah.
We're going for 50 today.
I opened up the throttle a bit. It wasn't opening 100%. Now it is.
50.
50, you think? Yeah.
Well, you got 46.
Should be close. I think.
Be close.
Yeah. Might gain a couple mile an hour.
What are you thinking?
Oh.
I know what I'm thinking.
95.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
I want a brown. It's not going to happen. I don't think we're picking up 10 miles an hour with rings and a helix, but
No, but I think you'll gain a couple.
Yep.
Conditions are good. It's a little bit colder today.
Yeah, a little cold, but no wind.
No.
Nice. So we're gonna go find a little ice track, run it again. I'll probably want to put a couple miles before I do. Yeah. I got 8 kilometers on the ring, so maybe a couple little.
We'll ride around a bit there, break the bend, and
yeah, we'll put like 20K on it, 25K, and then we'll just hold it wide open, run after run after run, because that's how you break it in engine, though, right?
What's that?
You just have it fresh, and you just do run after run, wide open.
Aspect
that's
of it,
right. Uh-oh, look, uh-oh.
Oh,
it's doing the typical Firecat stuff again.
Hey,
hey, she's blown. Hey, 0 mile an hour. That's
broken.
it. In. Yeah, okay. All right, see you in a minute. All right, we got JF on the ET here. He's made a couple little changes. Last time was 46. We're shooting for 50 now, so let's see what he gets here. It's moving. 45, 46, 47. Look at that. He's already getting a bit more. 49, come on. Oh, 49. He didn't click that 50. I think it's doable. I think it's doable. Let's see what he's got to say about this. Not bad, man. I think that 50 is doable. If we get it on the ice, which is sketchy on this thing, but if we get it on the ice, he's gonna get 50 out of it.
Definitely felt faster.
You gotta hit the ice because the number you want is very, very close. You're right there, bud. You know that's 50 on the ice, bud.
Yeah, that is sick.
Yep. Yep. Pretty damn close. Oh boy.
5 mile an hour out of it.
That's a lot,
good.
man. That's hey, 49, but I think 50 is achievable. I was watching it and like you were like a mile away. It was like 47, 47, 48. I'm like, oh, he's gonna do it. He's gonna do the 50. All right.
Okay, guys, doing the second run on the F5 here. Last time we got 91. Nothing's been done other than re-ring. So we're gonna just see what the difference is with just a fresh top end. Jamie's down there, he's getting all set up. Looks like he's gonna blast through the through the snowbank again. We're going for 100. Gonna get that brown. $97. Oh, we're gonna get that brown today. Oh yeah. Well, pretty surprising.
I know what the gauge read.
What do you
I can switch the gauge between digital and manual needle.
Yeah.
Last time I had it on the digital and it was accurate. This time I had it on the needle. It read 95, but I don't know how accurate.
You got 97.
No!
You hit 97, dude.
Get out of here.
I'm serious.
Are you shitting on here?
No, I'm serious. You actually
No
got.
way.
I don't. The gun's still on. Yeah, still on. 97.
Get out of here,
Yeah,
dude.
man. Like you were coming, and it was like 95, 96, 97.
Oh, we're still climbing. I bet you. Oh, really?
I can give you a bit more or a bit less of a shutdown.
Yep, do that. We'll do one more.
I've seen you smash the bank.
Oh, dude. These guys, they sit there, eh?
Yep.
Yum, yum on the stand, and then they put it down and take off slow.
Yeah.
Guys.
Nope. You gotta come in through the bank. I seen snow flying. Let's go.
Yeah, you see where the track starts? Yeah.
Yeah.
Go 150 feet past that and fly in.
You see where the track starts? Yeah. That's where the track starts.
Let's do one more. Give me a bit more or a bit less of a shutdown.
Okay,
I had tons of shutdown.
See that red thing there? Like it looks like a cup or something in the bank? I'll go right there.
Okay, sounds good. I'm gonna hit it from.
Okay, second run. First one was 97 mile an hour. We're gonna try again. We moved it back a bit because it was still climbing. Whew. Here she goes. 98. That thing is clipping for a 500. Unbelievable. I think that's all we're gonna get out of it with that helix though, because we got a long run. But think about this. That is a 500 in that. Oh man, those old Firecats really moved with that small track, and this is a really, really well set up sled. That's completely stock, like nothing done to it. He's got nothing.
I don't know what the gun was, but I know what the gauge is. The gauge clipped 100 at the end. It just clipped 100.
Oh no!
98. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Good start.
Yeah.
Good for the fresh motor. Wide open.
Man, that's what I was saying in the video. Like, that's a 500.
Yeah.
Like the.
You just wait. We're throwing a helix in it, bud.
Yeah.
We're clipping 100, bud.
These Firecats, man, like these are like. There's nothing done to it.
They're just stock.
You used to buy this?
You guys want to look?
Yeah.
Look at this.
You would have bought this off the showroom floor.
Here's
like
all the
this.
people that talk shit. Oh, the guy's got this and that.
Yeah, yeah.
Want to know what I got?
Nothing.
A stock pipe, a stock Y pipe, and a suitcase can, my guy. There ain't shit done to this.
Ain't nothing going on
I got
here.
a stock 51 helix in it. I got a worn out belt.
Oh, must be the oil when you're. Yeah.
Oh, Mystic. Yeah, it's probably
Yeah.
why it picked up.
Running shit oil, like man, like.
Don't talk shit about Mystic.
Yeah.
See you in the snow, bro.
Yeah. Unreal. These sleds are just wicked.
Can't believe that. All right, let's do a helix swap.
Yeah.
140. Come on. Sheesh. 145. My God. Got some work to do, eh?
Oh, we're right there. Well, seems to be a little bit quicker on top. Let's see what he says. We're gonna get it.
I'm getting it right now, but
Yeah?
I'm gonna go back and forth on the snowbank like 15 times, and I'm gonna hit the top hard to do it. It's still climbing.
Yeah.
I'm just running out of real estate. It's still climbing every time.
Okay.
Give me a.
Maybe we should go to that quad cut.
It might do it. I'll do one more run.
Yeah.
And we'll do the quad.
Okay. All right, Jamie's back there. He's packing the snowbank down. Says he's gonna go back and forth a couple times. So many blasts through it. It's not as much of a hill. Man, last round, 99. Let's see what happens this one. We'll try this helix one more time. This one doesn't work. We're gonna go to the quad cut helix. He says it's still climbing as he's coming by, so. We got it. 101 miles an hour. Broke it. Unreal. Okay.
100 on the pin, bud.
You actually did 87.
Oh, 101!
101!
Let's go!
You got her, man.
Fucking 101.
101 out of a T-Cat, of a F5.
Oh.
Unreal.
Dude, do I even try other helixes? I could try the quad.
Might as well.
I got 2 more. We can try them just for fun.
Yeah, let's try the quad. See what happens.
But I went to the snowbank at the end, widened her up a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
I hit the track doing 35 mile an hour. We're getting this handy.
He was getting you at the quarter mile. Probably not going very quick.
No, when I passed him,
yeah,
from him to you is 5 mile an hour on my gauge.
Oh, yeah.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
I read 95 when I hit him.
Maybe that quad cut will help, right? Because it'll climb a lot quicker.
Let's try it. So we did 99, 101. I'll say maybe if I had the end of the world, I could run another couple mile an hour.
Yep.
But I'm pretty content that 99, 101, we know what that helix does.
Freaking right.
Try the quad, see what happens.
Yep.
I think so.
All right, man. Let's do it.
Quad angle, buddy. Yep. It looks cool, so it's already a plus.
Now you were saying EPI doesn't even make those anymore, eh?
No, I guess they used to, and I don't know if it's because they suck and they don't work, but I guess we'll find out. Yeah, so normally...
Tell us about it, dude. What is it?
So normally your helix on, well, depends on the sled. So let's say the Firecat, for instance, it comes with a straight 51-degree ramp. So the whole time you're running bottom end, top end, you're riding on a same degree ramp the entire time. The purpose of getting a multi-angle ramp, like for instance the one we just ran, 58, 52, you're effectively changing your gear ratio, right? It's almost like changing gears on a bike, right? You can make it more torquey up top, up bottom, whatever you want, you can change it with the helixes. So a straight helix is never necessarily good for everything, right? Like it'll work, but yeah, it's nicer to have a multi-angle because you can taper it to where you want the power to come in, bottom, top.
All right, back at it again. Now this is the quad cut helix. We just tried it on the lake here, and this one's different. So when we give this one gas, we notice that it's real boggy, and then it just picks up and wants to tear your arms off. So we're gonna see how it works. Low end, it really sucks on the F5 though. It's having a hard time pulling it, so might be good on the big end there. Here it comes. One mile an hour slower. Not sure. Let's see what he thinks. So, just because we went 1 mile an hour slower on the top end doesn't mean it's worse. It could have been a lot better through the mid-range.
I thought it was the same.
So how did it feel?
It feels the same, like 101.
Yeah, so you got 100. But how did it feel in the mid-range? Like, did it feel better?
The mid-range hits way better.
Hits better, eh?
It hits way better. It sucks out of the hole.
Yeah.
But it's just past it pretty quick. I could do one more, but it'll be the same thing. It'll be maybe 101.
No, I know. I feel like this helix that ain't it, man. Not for this sled.
It hits really nice in the mid. It sucks in the bottom for a second.
Yeah.
But you get past it. But the only problem is, if I'm driving this in the snow,
It's gonna be brutal.
I get past it quick on this shit.
Yeah.
But in the snow, it probably won't work. That 59's too steep to start.
Yeah.
But I think that's a money helix for the T-Cat.
Hey. Last helix now. This one here felt a lot nicer on the low end. Felt very nice on the low end. We're just gonna see if it could pull it on the top end. Come on. $98. So we lost 2 miles an hour with this one, but it feels a lot better on the bottom end. If it were me, I'd be running this one, but let's see what he says. 98.
It's not the helix though. I'll do one more.
One more?
One last one.
Okay.
Camera too?
Yeah.
He's
You got 99.
Yeah, I could see it's not.
I don't think you're getting more than that out of it.
It's hard to pick between that and the other one. I don't know. This one's so much better out of the hole, right?
It's not pulling it on the top end or what? Or is that just topped out?
It's climbing barely at all. I
Yeah.
think maybe I'll get 100, but that's it. The other one, it was still pulling. I just ran out of track, right? Maybe the money's 57, 52, right? Because it's 53, it can't pull it, or it's having a bit of a time.
I really like that helix though on the
hole. It's
oh yeah,
it's really nice.
yeah. Right.
340, bud.
Oh yeah, I got a couple of ETs here. The old bright white sports car.
Well, that was the Firecat. I forgot to film an outro while I was at the lake, so now I'm doing it a couple of days later. But we did it. 101 with the one helix. I think after playing around a bit, the helix I don't have. This one did really well. 101 up top with the 58, 52 helix. The bottom end wasn't bad, but it was, you know, okay. I put that 57, 53 helix in at the end. And that just going from that 58 to a 57 for out of the hole, you wouldn't think it makes much of a difference, but it does. Like that 57 out of the hole rips your arms off on this thing. Like it pulls very good. But that 53 angle up top, it's too steep. It can't pull it. You've seen it do 98, 99, and that's on ice. So it'll be even worse in the snow, right? It'll suck it down, suck the power down even more. So that 52 finish was good. Gave us 101, and it felt like it was still climbing. So I think the money helix is going to be a 57, 52, which I'm going to order. And I think that's going to be great all around for this thing. But overall, super impressed. 101 on it. And like I mentioned in the video, it's stock, guys. Like, it's got 9,400 miles on it with the factory pistons with SPI cheap rings on it. Like, that's it. Stock pipe, stock everything, man. The thing's totally stock. Keep in mind, too, it's got the 1.375 snowcross track on it, which all that does is drag power down on a 500. But it's the track I want for overall stuff. But if we threw a 1-inch track on that, I bet you I'd pick up 3-4 mile an hour. It's just a guess. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. As always, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Stay tuned for more. We got lots of sled stuff coming. And for the guys asking for the T-Cat stuff, I swear to God it's coming. We got, here's a little schedule in my head of how this is going to go. VMAX video next. At some point, I want to run the VMAX versus the Firecat. And then it's T-Cat stuff. So give it 2-3 weeks. There will be some T-Cat stuff, guys. Don't worry. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Subscribe to the channel.